Hello, Internet. I'm Stephen Gandolfi.
I'm Timothy Van Riper.
We're coming to you once again from the tasting room at Westport Whiskey and Wine with this week's to-go bag options. Tim is going to start off with a rum bag that we're offering this week. That's well, I'll let Tim tell you about it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's bigger. It's better. It's all the rum you'll ever need. There's 6 different styles of rum. The ones that I want to talk about, basically the ones I want to highlight. The real McCoy, it's from the Foursquare Distillery. I think some delicious rum. It's usually pretty pricey. Let's call this more or less the Pappy Van Winkle of rum. So if you've been interested at all about trying real McCoy, this is a great way to do it in this bag, because it's not. I think the whole bag is cheaper than.
Yeah, I mean, most of those Foursquare releases go for about $100 or so, thereabouts, and real McCoy is same stuff, just a little bit younger. This one's 5 years, and you're gonna get it in conjunction with 5 other rums.
Yeah, so it's a steal. And then we have the Barbancourt. It's an agricole rum. Rum's made with either molasses or sugar. This one's actually made with sugar cane, so it's just sugar cane juice. It's a little brighter, a little fruitier. And then finally, the Flor de Cana. Probably said that wrong. Did I say that wrong?
Flor de Cana.
Flor de Cana. Just really good Nicaraguan rum. So just a different style of rum. Yeah. This bag is priced below. And it's a steal. Especially for, the tour that you get to go on.
It's a cruise in a bag.
It's a cruise in a bag.
And here we have summer in a bag. In an effort to continue to bring you canned goodness, we have here a whole array of seltzers, because hard seltzers are big news right now. So we've got 2 Bud Light seltzers, 2 Truly Lemonade seltzers, 2 White Claws, 2 High Noon Peach, 2 High Noon Lime. I mean, it's I can't guarantee you will always get mango or whatever from Truly, because we're using variety packs, but this is pool party, ready to go. Price on that is, of course,
it's either high or low. It's there.
It's always going to be low.
It's on the screen. And then lastly,
celebrating 160 years.
Uncle Nearest. As many of you know, we did the only Kentucky single barrel of Uncle Nearest last year. We've recently become their online distributor in Kentucky, and they are teaming up with us to do this little package, which is it is an Uncle Nearest fan kit. There is so much stuff in here. Tim, what do we have?
There's almost too much stuff to put it all. There's face masks. We got ginger beer, glasses, metal straws. You can pick the AC
metal straws.
Yeah, I thought that was the best part. I love metal straws. Just reuse. Save the damn turtles. Metal straws. And it comes in 93 proof or 100 proof. So depending on what you want to spotlight more bourbon or more of the cocktail. Whichever way you want to go, or whichever one you want to drink when you're done with the cocktail.
Recipe card.
It's got a recipe card.
God,
it has everything. It's
got everything.
It's like a party in a box. Party box.
Party box.
Uncle Nearest party box.
And lastly, I think we can officially announce tasting room reopening. July
2nd.
July 2nd. Next Thursday.
Next Thursday.
Unless you're watching this on July 2nd, then it's today. Stop what you're doing. Come wait in line.
Thursday Night Social is back.
Thursday Night Social is back. We're going to have a couple of new protocols in place. We'll be announcing that stuff via our social media. We're going to limit the amount of people that are in here. But otherwise, same cool space. That's it. I mean, as always, download the app. Keep an eye out for what's going on at the store. There are a couple of other announcements, but I think it's a bit premature. But just keep watching. We've got some things developing digitally. But yeah, I'm Stephen Gandolfi.
Yeah, I'm Timothy Van Riper. Cheers.